Hello friends, this is one problem that I'm going to solve for the third year students, the third semester students. Okay, so we know that square cube root of unity. What are the cube root of unity? 1, omega and omega square. These are the cube root of unity. The properties are when 1 omega plus omega square, that will be equal to 0. Okay, the summation of cube root of unity is equal to 0. But when you multiply the cube root of unity, 1 omega and omega square, it will be 1. It means omega cube will be 1. Okay, you remember these two formula. These are the two important formula that we are going to use while solving this problem. Okay, now you see that 1 plus omega square we need. Okay, here 1 plus omega we need, because from this formula we can say that here what 1 plus omega square we need. So I can write 1 plus omega square will be equal to minus omega, right? This omega I'm bringing to right hand side, so it is going to be minus omega. So here instead of 1 plus omega square, I can replace minus omega. So here minus omega whole cube. Okay, plus here you can write this one is equal to 1 plus omega minus omega square, right, cube. Now we need what 1 plus omega, but from this formula again you can see that 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. So 1 plus omega is equal to minus omega square. So 1 plus omega means 1. Here you can see here 1 plus omega means minus omega square. So I can replace this by minus omega square. So minus 2 omega cube plus, what is this, minus omega square whole cube. So this will be equal to minus 2 omega, right? So minus 2 again cube and omega is again cube, plus minus 2 omega square cube. So this will be minus 2. When it is minus 2 is multiplied 3 times by itself, then it is going to be minus 8 omega cube, plus again this will be minus 8 into omega, what, it will be 6, because a square. So there is a property a to the power m power n, then we can write a to the power mn. That is the formula that I have used here. So this 2 into this 3, so it is going to be multiplied together. That's why the answer is 6. Now can I write like this? What is omega q exactly? Omega q here you can see omega q is equal to 1. So this, instead of this omega q, can I replace 1? So minus 8 into 1 plus minus 8 into, can I write this one also like this, omega q square? So see, so now minus 8 into this will be 1 square. So the answer will be minus 8 into minus 8. It is going to minus 16 answer. Okay, this is one answer. Okay, the answer for this question is, you see this question here, this is the answer. Okay, for this question the answer is this one. So now I'm going to solve another question. Another question is like this. We need to find the rank of matrix. Rank of this matrix 1, 3, 2 and 6. Okay, this is, what is the order of this matrix? 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, this is 2 cross 2 matrix. Now what you do is you find the determinant. Determinant means 1, 3, 2, 6. If you find the determinant, then you need to find the rank. Okay, here find the rank. So this will be 6 into 1 minus 3 into 2. So 6 into 1 minus 3 into 2. See, this will be what? 6 minus 6. So 6 minus 6 will be 0. So 6 minus 6 will be 0. So here the rank cannot be 1. Sorry, the rank cannot be 2. Because for this matrix maximum rank will be what? Rank will be what? It will be less than or equal to maximum of this 2, 2, 2. So maximum will be 2 and it can be also 1. So since the determinant is 0, you can see the determinant is 0, then rank is what? It is strictly less than maximum of 2 comma 2. So what is the, and rank can never be negative. That's why what is this, this is integer, the rank will be always in integer. It cannot be fraction माने कौन 1/2 एमती के rank है पारे बने. The rank will be either 1 2 3 4 like that. But here the maximum is what, the order is 2, and the integer which is less than 2 but it is a positive integer is what, 1. That's why rank will be equal to 1. So the rank of this matrix will be 1. Okay, I think I'm done. Next I'm going to solve another problem here. D square plus 3 into y is equal to e to the power 2x. Okay, so what is that exactly d means? D means d by dx or d by dy. D means d by d differentiation. This is called differential operator. Okay, so can I write like this? Y is equal to e to the power 2x divided by d square plus 3. Okay, now what is this d square plus 3? This is a function of d, so this is equal to, our f of d will be equal to d square plus 3. So what, this is a. Okay, here a is equal to 2. So if I am going to replace f of a, then it is equal to a square plus 3. F of a means 2, this is equal to what, 2 square plus 3. So this is not 0, then the answer will be, this y will be equal to e to the power 2x divided by what, 2 square plus 3 is equal to how much? 2 square means 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So this is equal to 7. So the complementary function is, okay, this is the solution. And one more is complementary function. This is the complementary function. This complementary function is this one. Okay, this is the answer finally. Okay, now I'm going to solve another problem. You see here another problem I'm going to solve. I'm going to solve another problem. Here you see, you need to form a PDE form. तुमको फॉर्म करिया पड़बो गोटे PDE. Form the PDE माने होची पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन फ्रॉम को इक्वेशन रु ना z देछि x स्क्वायर बाय a स्क्वायर देछि प्लस y स्क्वायर बाय b स्क्वायर देछि by eliminating the arbitrary constant, by eliminating the arbitrary constant, okay. So ये constant हमको बाहर करिया पड़ेबो, PDE फॉर्मेशन करिया पड़ेबो. Remember z is a function of कोन x and y. So here z is a कोन, एटा होच आंसर. This is the answer. Okay, here z is a कोन, z is a dependent variable. This is called dependent variable. Now x comma y होची independent variable. Independent variables. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to what, differentiate with respect to x and y. So this function is a function of x and y. That's why this function will be differentiated with respect to x. That time y will be constant, and we are differentiating this z with respect to y. It means suppose this is a in what, this is in 3D. In 3D रे एटा होची x axis, एटा होची y axis, एटा होची z हला. Z आम corresponds to x and y, correspond to x and y function, the value of z will be there. Okay, so z means with respect to माने जो z टा अछि ए z टा x आडू with respect to x रे केमती मूव करछि, तो with respect along x axis रे मूव कला बेल को, it means y is constant because x y रे की चेंज होनी. That's why we are writing dou z by dou x. It means this z is changing along x axis हला. जते बेले y with respect to y differentiate करछु, it means this z is changing with respect to y. It means that time x is constant हला. बुझी पारला ना, बुझी पारला ना. Then I am going to differentiate with respect to dou z by dou x. so this will be small p. Okay, now dou z by dou y, this will be small q. Okay, now what I will do is I'm going to form a partial differential equation from this from this equation which is given to us from this solution. Then can I do like this? I'm going to differentiate with respect to x to this original function. So dou z by dou x, if I'm going to do, then dou by dou x of কোন এটা হচ্ছে x square by a square plus y square by b square. Then y is a constant kind of we are differentiating with respect to x, so x only will change, y will be constant, so constant or derivative is always 0. That's why I'm going to write like this: dou by dou x of x square by a square plus dou by dou x of y square by b square. So this will be, by linearity property, I am going to take this 1 by a square outside. So dou by dou x ro kono differentiation, it will be 0. So it is equal to 1 by a square into 2x. So okay, so this will be dou x by dou x, dou z by dou x will be small p. So this small p is equal to what? 1 by a square into dou x, so 2x. Okay, so what is 1 by a square? 1 by a square will be 2x, just wait, p by 2x is equal to 1 by a square. Okay, hela next हमको बाहर करिया पड़िबो dou z by dou y, dou z by dou y. Similarly dou z by dou y, this is equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square. This will be what? Here x is constant because we are changing this function z with respect to y value, so our x will be constant. So the answer will be here q, because we have taken dou z by dou y is equal to q. So this will be equal to 2y by b square. Okay, so now q divided by 2y is equal to 1 by b square. Okay, you see here. Now you check here. Now you see here, in this is the original function. In this original function, what is 1 by b square? That is equal to q by 2y. And what is 1 by a square? 1 by a square is equal to p by 2x. So can I write like this? This z is equal to what? X square by a square plus y square by b square is given. So this z will be equal to 1 by a square into x square plus similarly 1 by b square into y square. So what is 1 by a square and what is 1 by b square? That we have found here. So I am going to replace the value of 1 by a square and 1 by b square in this original function. So z will be equal to 1 by a square means p divided by 2x into x square plus what is 1 by b square? 1 by b square is equal to q divided by 2y into y square. So this x and what x kotibo, go to y kotibo. Then the final answer will be z is equal to px plus qy. This is the final answer. We have found the partial differential equation. You can see the partial differential equation here. Okay, I am going to stop here, and the remaining question I will do for the next video. Okay, by then thank you for being here.